I am so excited to bring you this model home in Littleton, Colorado. Now, this home is located in the Sterling Ranch community, and it is built by Richmond American Homes. Now, they don't have any of them right now today, the end of February 2024, but they are building a list, and they do have some to come of this floor plan. Now, this is a ranch level floor plan, and it's about 1970 square feet. That's the main floor. There is an option to finish the basement, and they might be finishing them all. That I'm not 100%. If they do, there will be square footage in the basement. It should be the same footprint, 1,900 square feet down there. Not sure if all of that will be finished or not, depending on what you choose and what you pick. Now, this home is 3 to 5 bedrooms, again, depending on if that basement's finished, 2 to 3 bathrooms, depending on if that basement is finished, and it has an attached 2-car garage. Now, this home, the layout is spectacular. It is a really great layout with the master bedroom being separated from the other 2 bedrooms on the main floor. Now, let's go in and take a look around. But before we do, I'm Kathy Hansen. I'm a local area realtor. I'm also a suburban mom, and I would be honored to answer any of your questions, show you some of these homes, or help you with your real estate needs. All of my contact information is here below. It will also be in the details section and the comment section. And before we go look around, one more thing. Wait until the end. I'm going to tell you all about Sterling Ranch, so you're going to want to stick around for that as well. Now let's go take a look. hope you enjoyed this model home. It is gorgeous. Now, if you're not familiar with the Sterling Ranch community, it's located in Littleton, Colorado, and it's a brand new community. It's been in the works about 4 or 5, maybe 6 years now, and it's only about halfway complete. Once this community is done, there will be about 12,000 homes here in Sterling Ranch. Now, I've done lots of videos about Sterling Ranch, so I'm going to go ahead and link one right above here just to give you some more information about the community itself. Sterling Ranch does have an HOA. It is a master planned community, so therefore you do have Metro District taxes as well, which is part of the HOA is rolled into those taxes. But with that, you get a lot of amenities. You have outdoor pools, you have fitness centers, you have an on-site full-time activities coordinator. So there is all kinds of clubs, activities, holiday events, you name it, it is here in Sterling Ranch. You don't even need to leave the community for it. Now, Sterling Ranch was built around the community hub, and that was the idea, that a lot of things you need in your everyday life are built right here in the community. So the community hub has an eye doctor, I might have a hair salon there, it's got a brewery pub, it has a coffee shop, it has some medical facilities, there's a preschool there. So there are things that you use in your everyday life that are located right in the hub. You don't even need to leave the neighborhood for that. Now, Sterling Ranch is located on the south end of Littleton, and you get some spectacular foothill views there in Sterling Ranch as well. Now, there's lots of open space, and part of Sterling Ranch is to keep it open, keep the community involved and active together. So there are no privacy fences in Sterling Ranch. That could be a positive for some people. It could be a negative for others. They are all split rail fences, and that's probably for some of the wildlife that comes through there as well. Now, in Sterling Ranch, there is not a lot of shopping, I'll be honest with you, there in the community yet. Now, there is a grocery store. It's about 10 or 15 minutes away. It's not too far, but there will be some once all of those 12,000 homes are built. So that infrastructure is coming. Now, if you want to see more of these model homes, or if you're interested in some resale homes here in Sterling Ranch, we are beginning to see those as well. I would love to show those to you. Again, all of my contact information is here. I'm Kathy Hansen, a local area realtor. I'm also a suburban mom. So please reach out if I can be of help or service to you in any way. Now, I'm going to go ahead and link another video over here for you to see. I think this one's going to give you some good information about the Littleton area. So go check it out over here. I'll see you on the next video.